I'm Amy, this is Living in Chrysalis, and I am going to do a look with my brand new Walmart exclusive Rimmel Magnif'Eyes Thunderstorm edition. So let's get to it. Welcome back. I was in Walmart earlier today and I decided to take a look to see if they had the Thunderstorm edition of the Rimmel Magnif'Eyes line in stock, which they did. They actually had a lot of them, but I decided to go ahead and pick it up today because the color story rather intrigues me, and I know it's a dupe or semi-dupe for a palette from Kylie Jenner, but I'm not going to pay Kylie Jenner prices with no return policy. Forget that. Anyway, I got rather excited, decided to pick it up. Then as I'm going through the checkout line, the cashier picks it up and looks at it and says, and then she starts talking about like, oh, that yellow is really intense, and oh, I can see lots of things. I'm already thinking of things I could do with this. I'm like, oh yeah, I'll probably do a halo eye, use the yellow in the middle, maybe cover it with shimmer if it's a little much. But that was actually a refreshing conversation, especially since this wasn't at Ulta or Sephora, but at Walmart. So that was fun for me. Getting to this rather late in the day for me, but that is because I had to go to the dentist and get a filling this afternoon. So I've spent a large chunk of the afternoon and evening waiting for my face to gain sensation back. I've got most of it back now. Let me see, what do I want to do? There's this sort of browny plummy color here that I'm very curious about. Or should I try something a little less obvious? Oh, that's a nice deep blue. I think I'm gonna go with the blue for now. Although that brownie plum is definitely on my to try list. I may do that another day. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. That is nice deep smoky eye type of blue. Oh, I don't know if you can see that properly. It looks brighter on my view than it does in the pan, but yeah. Oh, that's nice. Are you getting that? Oh, yes. Good. After the Avant Pop debacle, I do need something a little darker. Don't worry though, I'll perk it up. Okay. Do I want to do something to blend into the blue? What can blend into the blue? Well, there's a pretty purple here with a little bit of shimmer. I don't know how the shimmer will translate on the eye. Let's take a look, shall we? There we go. So, oops, I accidentally hit the blue because I was looking at the monitor rather than the pan. Stop. My husband's a bit of a bundle of nerves at the moment. He has an audition for 12 Angry Jurors. Yes, they've PC'd the title of the play. But that's all right. I'm okay with it. But he's been rehearsing a monologue from Glenn Ross. It's Al Pacino's essentially cussing out and telling off Kevin Spacey's character. If you haven't seen Glenn Ross, do, because that scene is spectacular. And while my husband may be nervous about his audition, I'm not. He's actually a fantastic actor. drama major at Penn State. Besides, get him out of the house. Do something, please. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and blend the blue and purple together a bit. Okay. All right. Okay. They're blended together, but we still have some differentiation. Is it just me, or is the purple coming across darker than the blue? Maybe a little, but that's okay. This is where we experiment, right? All right. What do I want to do? You know what? I'm gonna go in with that yellow. I don't know what it is, but lately I have been really enjoying yellow as part of a halo eye look. And the funny thing is before I started this channel, the only time I had ever worn yellow eyeshadow, I was in high school, and my mom, I come downstairs, and my mom looks at me. She gives me kind of a funny look, and she says, "Come here." And she comes and she takes a real close look up into my eyes. She's like, "Oh, okay. It's just makeup." So I said, "What?" I thought you might be jaundiced. So I hadn't worn yellow eyeshadow since. And yellow clothes and me, no. But for some reason, I'm having so much fun with yellow eyeshadow. So, all right, so there's the yellow. I keep feeling like I want to do something else with this. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a bit of this pale silvery shimmer here. I'm going to go in with the brush end. Here I might as well try out the brushes. I've seen some channels say that these little brushes actually aren't so bad. So, all right. I'm going to go in and kind of use a silvery shade to sort of meld the blue and purple with the yellow. Oh, oops, I didn't mean it. I didn't intend to go down like that, but okay. Where am I now? Keep feeling like maybe I just want a little bit more of the blue and yellow there, or blue and purple. Okay, so I'm gonna just do another quick hit of the blue there. Another quick hit of the blue. Yeah, if you hear that, that's my washing machine, sorry. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the purple again. All right, let me give this another hit with my fluffy brush. Let's see, what do I feel like I need here? Oh, I definitely need something in the arch. I think it seems a little repetitive to use the silver, so I'm going to go in with this kind of pinky beigey shade. See how I feel about that one. Oh, look at what that does. Can you see that? Oh, let's try that again. See what it's doing with this brush? That's kind of funny. All right, let's take a look here. Oh, well, carve it in like a freaking knife, man. All right. Oh, I see why it looks a little odd to me, because I've gone in much further here than I normally do. I think I want to kind of mitigate that a bit, so I'm going to go in with this palest shimmer shade here. Stand it straight this way, see if that helps. Okay, yeah, that's a bit better. Seemed like a bit much on me, you know. Okay. Let's see where I'm at now. Funny, it looks patchier in the corners on the view than it does in person. But I am gonna just kind of touch up that corner a bit because I kind of like my corners a little sharp. I don't like to do that thing myself where there's eyeshadow under the wing. I know a lot of people do that. Wayne Goss is not a fan, and for me at least, I agree with him. Now other people, no, you do what you want, but for me, I very much prefer keeping that line neat. Especially because I don't want my eyes to look downturned. They're already hooded, so the hooding can actually make them look more downturned than they truly are. So it's a battle. Here's the final look. And this is after we're back from the audition. He was cast on the spot, as I knew he would be. O ye of little faith. So anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me. And of course, subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you. And yes, that is my washing machine. See you later.